Okay friends, just open your camera application. Okay, just simply open your camera. Then you can see here there is a plus point, that is the level indicator. So how to turn off that? Go to settings, select camera from the left side. You can see here, swipe up, then you can see camera, open it. Now you can see option of level, it is turned on under the composition. So just turn off that like this and go back to camera application to check that is turned off or not. Okay, simply open your camera application from the drawer. Then you can see there is no indicator. So in this way you can easily turn off that indicator if you are not using that. So but actually it is a good option to sometimes you have to set our mobile phone correct level. So sorry, iPad correct level. So that's a feature and it is very useful. And that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.